Hey guys, in this lesson, we're gonna learn how to blow dry the hair after you've done the haircut. So we've done a rough haircut on this mannequin. We found the crown previously. We debulked. I just blended it real quick just for the sake of this demonstration. And I'm gonna show you how you should go about blow drying your client's hair. It's very important that you have a blow dryer that has high and low settings for speed and for heat. So high heat and high speed, as well as low heat and low speed. Also, it's important that we get a cold shot in your blow dryer, because after you've used the high heat, you want to put cold shot on it so it stays up and you've created volume. First, what I always like to do is if I do have a crown or if I do have a part, I want to start with that. In this case, I don't have a part, I do have a crown though, and I want to start by blow drying the crown. Reason being is because once I can set my crown in the position that's already wet and it's already combed with, it's a lot easier for me to blow dry so that it stays down and I'm not blow drying it all over the place and having it kind of mess up everything I've already done. What you first want to do is you always want to hold your blow dryer as it's on, and you don't want it to be facing directly on the client's scalp because you will burn him. So always kind of in a perpendicular degree, slightly tilted downward, just until you start seeing the air blowing on the hair. And you want to always be combing the brush down so that you're training the hair and you're pushing the hair in a downward position so that it's drying and brushing the hair down. This is what that looks like. There you have it. We have a dried crown. All the hair is going in the direction and the position they need to be. Now we can focus on the rest of the hair. Now we're gonna move over to this side of the haircut. This is where we're gonna be blow drying the hair forward, and then as we come to the front, we're gonna bring it over. I don't recommend you blow dry it like this because these hairs will always wanna go forward. They don't always wanna go to the side. So always blow dry the hair in the direction that it grows, especially in the back and on the sides. That way you avoid anything sticking up. Once you have blow dried this side and you've kind of given it a little bit of a direction, you want to come on the opposite side. You want to hold your blow dryer like this, adjust the nozzle, and then you want to comb and follow the comb with your blow dryer like so, in order to create a nice smooth transition from this side over into the blended side on this side. Here's a tip, always follow the brush with your blow dryer. The blow dryer shouldn't be all the way over here and you're combing here. That's not working. Your dryer should always be close and working together with your brush. Now that we've blow dried this side and we've blow dried this side and we've given direction to the hair, the last part that we have is the front. And this is where we're gonna be creating the volume. And then once we create the volume, then we're gonna hit it all with the cold shot. This is gonna be very important for us to, after drying the hair and setting it, the cold shot will kind of freeze everything in place, making it a lot easier for us to place product and not really have to use a lot. The better the blow dry job is on the hair, the less product you will have to use. When blow drying the front, what you want to do is you want to take your brush and you're going to put it in the front, lift it like so, twist it, and then pull up as you're blow drying. I'll show you what this looks like. Perfect. After we've blow dried the front and we've given this volume, now we want to move over to the cold shot. On my blow dryer, this button here is the cold shot. For many of you, your cold shot might be here. So just hold on to that, wait until the air gets cold, and then start. And we're basically going to be doing the same exact steps that we did with the hot shot. We're going to do with the cold shot just to freeze everything in place. There you have it. Everything is blow dried in the direction that it needs to be blow dried in. The hair has been basically heat treated in position, and then we've used a cold shot in order to freeze it all in position. Now your job's done. All you need to do is grab a little bit of product, place it in the hair, and then you're all good. Thank you for watching. We'll look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.